Alright, aviation fans, buckle up because I've got 100 jaw-dropping facts about Boeing and Airbus coming right at you. Let's dive into the skies, shall we? 1. Boeing was founded in 1916 by William Boeing in Seattle. 1. Airbus was established much later, in 1970, as a consortium of European aerospace manufacturers. 1. The Boeing 747, also known as the Jumbo Jet, was the first wide-body aircraft ever produced. 1. Airbus A380 is the largest passenger airliner in the world. 1. Boeing's headquarters is now in Chicago, but it started in Seattle. 1. Airbus has its main headquarters in Toulouse, France. 1. Boeing 737 is the best-selling commercial jetliner of all time. 1. Airbus A320 is the second best-selling aircraft in aviation history. 1. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner uses 20% less fuel than similarly sized aircraft. 1. Airbus A350XWB offers unparalleled fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Alright, that's 10 down, 90 to go. 1. Boeing was originally called Pacific Aero Products Co. 1. Airbus was the first to introduce fly-by-wire technology in commercial aircraft. 1. Boeing's first commercial jetliner, the 707, debuted in 1958. 1. The Airbus A300 was the first twin-engine wide-body airliner. 1. Boeing has delivered over 10,737 S-8. 1. Airbus has delivered over 10,000 A320s. 1. The Boeing 777 has the largest diameter engine of any aircraft. 1. Airbus A330neo features advanced aerodynamics and new generation engines. 1. Boeing's Everett factory is the largest building in the world by volume. 1. Airbus's Beluga transport aircraft is designed to carry oversized cargo. Feeling the turbulence yet? Keep those seatbelts fastened. 1. Boeing's logo was inspired by the image of a soaring bird. 1. Airbus's logo symbolizes the unity of its founding nations. 1. Boeing has manufactured over 14,000 commercial jets. 1. Airbus has delivered over 12,000 commercial aircraft. 1. Boeing is named after its founder, William Boeing. 1. Airbus was named to reflect its European roots. 1. Boeing 747's distinctive hump was designed to allow for cargo loading. 1. Airbus A380 has two full-length passenger decks. 1. Boeing 787 Dreamliner features electrochromic windows that dim electronically. 1. Airbus. A350's wings are made from carbon fiber reinforced polymer. Halfway there, folks. 1. Boeing has a dedicated eco-demonstrator program to test new technologies. 1. Airbus's A220 is designed for regional flights with high efficiency. 1. Boeing was a pioneer in the use of aluminum alloys in aircraft. 1. Airbus uses advanced composite materials in many of its aircraft. 1. The Boeing 737 MAX faced a global grounding in 2019. 1. Airbus A380 production will be halted by 2021. 1. Boeing employs over 160,000 people worldwide. 1. Airbus employs approximately 130,000 people. 1. Boeing's airplanes have logged over 500 billion miles in flight. 1. Airbus's planes have carried over 12 billion passengers. Stay tuned because the facts keep coming. 1. Boeing's first military airplane was the Model C. 1. Airbus's A400M is a military transport aircraft. 1. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner is assembled in just 3 days. 1. Airbus A380 assembly takes about 80 days. 1. Boeing's iconic 737 was first introduced in 1968. 1. Airbus A320 joined the skies in 1988. 1. Boeing 777 was the first airplane to be designed entirely by computer. 1. Airbus A350 is known for its whisper-quiet cabin. 1. The Boeing 747 can carry over 500 passengers. 1. The Airbus A380 can carry more than 850 passengers in an all-economy layout. Okay, take a breather, we're halfway there. 1. Boeing has more than 5,000 orders for the 787 Dreamliner. 1. Airbus has more than 7,000 orders for the A320neo family. 1. Boeing's 767 was the first twin-engine jet to cross the Atlantic. 1. Airbus A321XLR offers the longest range of any single-aisle aircraft. 1. Boeing's 737 has been in continuous production for over 50 years. 1. Airbus's A320 family has been continuously evolving for over 30 years. 1. Boeing's 747 was the first aircraft to be dubbed a jumbo jet. 1. Airbus's A380 is known as the Super Jumbo. 1. Boeing 787 Dreamliner interior features LED mood lighting. 1. Airbus A350's cabin air is renewed every 2 to 3 minutes. You still with me? Let's keep going. 1. Boeing's X-37 is an experimental spacecraft. 1. Airbus's Zephyr is a high-altitude pseudo-satellite. 1. Boeing's 757 can take off from shorter runways than most jets its size. 1. Airbus's A330 can be converted into a freighter. 1. Boeing 737 has been involved in more than 200 accidents. 1. Airbus A320 has been involved in over 100 accidents. 1. Boeing offers a BBJ, Boeing business jet version of its 737. 1. Airbus offers an ACJ, Airbus corporate jet version of its A320. 1. Boeing's 747, 8 Intercontinental is the latest and largest 747 model. 1. Airbus's A350-1000 is the largest variant of the A350 family. Almost there, folks, just a little more. 1. Boeing's 787 can fly more than 8,000 nautical miles non-stop. 1. Airbus A350 can fly over 9,700 nautical miles. 1. Boeing 737 has winglets to improve fuel efficiency. 1. Airbus A320neo features sharklets for better aerodynamics. 1. Boeing's 787 Dreamliner uses electrical systems instead of pneumatic. 1. Airbus A350 has a unique airframe design for better performance. 1. Boeing 747 has been used by NASA as a space shuttle carrier. 1. Airbus A310 MRTT is a military transport and tanker aircraft. 1. Boeing 777X features folding wingtips. 1. Airbus A380's wingspan is nearly 80 meters wide. Last stretch, folks, hang tight. 1. Boeing 737 is known as the workhorse of the skies. 1. Airbus A320neo is praised for its eco-friendly performance. 1. Boeing operates a massive wind tunnel in Seattle. 1. Airbus has a state-of-the-art flight simulation center in Toulouse. 1. Boeing's Starliner spacecraft is designed for crewed missions. 1. Airbus's A310-0G is used for scientific research in microgravity. 1. Boeing's 747 has been in production for more than 50 years. 1. Airbus A380 production spanned over 17 years. 1. Boeing's 737 MAX features advanced avionics. 1. Airbus A220 has the quietest cabin in its class. Almost there. 1. Boeing 787 Dreamliner is known for its smooth ride. 1. Airbus A350 features advanced noise reduction technologies. 1. Boeing's first jetliner, the 707, revolutionized air travel. 1. Airbus's A300 was the first aircraft to use composite materials. 1. Boeing 747 was the first aircraft to utilize high-bypass turbofan engines. 1. Airbus A320neo uses the latest generation of engines for efficiency. 1. Boeing's 777-300ER has the longest range of any commercial jet. 1. Airbus A321LR can fly non-stop from New York to Paris. 1. Boeing 787 can fly at Mach